I know you are ashamed of me, but your decision is irrational. Rome will continue to collect taxes no matter what. I'm skilled with numbers.
Did you come here to justify yourself?
No.
Magda.
Things like sad
Tapos photo mo, tapos
and love. The things
Kailan?
nasugod ako lang daw ano lang.
Sa Saturday morning.
Friday. Ang Saturday morning pwede rin.
Kasi Friday may dinner kami. Ah, Friday pala wala kami. Work.
be explained.
Saturday morning lang.
Friday ayaw mo?
Baka may kagawa kami ng tapa mo.
Astonished at your talent,
Kalik ka na yata eh.
math, the way you could think faster than
Morning na lang ng Saturday, mga ano, mga 10.
someone great.
Great at what?
Uy, may basket ka?
I have an armed
Alas
escort.
5 pa naman.
Sa 10 na lang.